Is it?
Okay, I'll go ahead and tell you there's 3 left. 2 of them have their names written on it, and 1 of them doesn't. And 1 of them's the officer's tool. Which one's the pry bar? This one.
Oh, that's the problem.
And that's the what? It's got a
Handle.
D handle pipe bowl. Alright, so what's this one?
I see.
No. It is. It's got an axe head, but it's called a what?
TNT.
Yeah, TNT. Yeah. Okay. And this is an officer's tool here. That is, look, read that. Yeah. All right.
I'm guessing this one now.
Yeah.
Oh, black crows.
Oh.
Josephine? Is it Josephine?
No, this is she talks to angels.
Oh.
3 SCBAs.
1, 2, 3. Yep. 3. Yep. Hold on. Back up.
Okay.
Is this? Can you open this?
Yeah, here you go.
I knew that.
Yep.
Oh, we got 4. 5. We got 5.
Yeah. Well, you got 3 air packs and 2 bottles, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right. 5-inch, or yeah, 5-inch manifold. Nice. That's that right there. That's called a manifold. Yeah.
Yeah.
2 low-level strainers. Yep. You got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Rope bag.
No, this is caution tape.
Yep. Fire line tape. And rope bag.
That's a bag of ropes.
Yep.
Does that count?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, let me check these air packs real quick. Hold on to this. All right. Did you do that?
Yeah. What's this? Is this burnt wood?
Huh?
Burnt one?
No, it's a wheel chalk. It's rubber. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, you wanna do it?
Try. Yeah.
Okay.
Makes me feel more official. Bigger when I stand on this. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Okay. Tool bag.
Tool bag. Is that
Well,
tool bag?
no, that's yeah. It is. Yeah, there you go. 6 pigtails.
Pigtails. What are pigtails?
Those things.
One. Cool. One. Yeah, we got 6.
Okay.
That's
Lead. Wait a minute. Lead line.
neat.
Wait a minute.
Is this ish?
Sure, we'll call it lead line. Alright, that down there is a hydrant bag.
Oh.
So we need to check the contents of that. There's hydrant wrench,
Monkey wrench.
hydrant adapter, 2.5 gate valve,
Wait, is that a
2 spanners,
no? It's a monkey pliers. Monkey pliers.
2 male, and then female. Okay, bolt cutters.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Those look like they cut bolts.
You got 2 cord reels.
Cord.
Two.
One pull.
Yep.
Yeah, we got 2.
You got a blitz fire.
A blitz fire. A blitz fire?
Yeah.
What's that?
What's the big thing in there that you can't miss? This blue. It says blitz fire on it.
That?
Yeah.
Those?
Yeah, that's it.
What do they do?
Blitz fire, that's a nozzle. So a giant, it's like a big master stream nozzle. You hook it up to some hoses and you can set it up in the yard and it flows like 1,000 gallons a minute or something.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Awesome.
Wow.
All right. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Now look in this little door here. Twist it. There you go.
I knew that.
Nope. There you go. And you got 2 pike poles and an attic ladder. Is it
Yep.
dirty?
Yeah. Lots of dirt.
All right. Make sure that thing closes right.
There we go.
Okay.
Jolly good.
Okay. On to the next one. Let's see. Okay, 2 SCBA bottles. You got a 24-foot extension ladder.
Yeah. That looks pretty 24. Yeah.
14-foot roof ladder. 10-foot hard suction.
Like these hoses.
Yes.
Lots of hoses.
Those are hoses.
Hoses.
And let's see.
Wait, do we only have to do this one?
Just this one, yeah.
Oh,
2 chainsaws.
chainsaws. Yeah, we got it.
Rotary saw. Regular gas can. Mixed gas can.
Yeah.
Positive and negative pressure fan. Door bar. It's that green thing down there. And a bar and chain oil. Yes. And we gotta run all these. When we get it done, I'll run them.
Okay. And it's gonna be loud, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do all that. Okay. Almost done.
Cool. Cool. Better be cool. What's going on up here? Is it cool? Is it cool, Dad?
It's cool. It's cool.
Well, proceed then. What's the big thing?
That is the door unlock.
Meow.
Okay, all that stuff is in there. Knockout kit. Gloves. You got CO2 extinguisher.
So that's the one.
Yep. ABC extinguisher. That's the red one. And a water can. No, that's the CO2. In this case, it's got the funny nozzle. That's just the ABC. It's got a regular nozzle, and that's the water one.
So that one goes back, and that was the water, right?
Yeah.
The water, and those are two little ones.
Yeah. Well, this one's for like gas and stuff. You can get like liquids.
So I have a question.
Okay.
They do the truck check every day, right?
Yeah.
Do they do it to just check if everything's there in case there's a call?
Well, there's like a daily check, and then there's like a weekly. We're doing like the big weekly check,
Oh.
where you check and make sure everything's on there.
Oh.
The daily check is just make sure it runs. You got wiper fluids and whatever. The main thing is you want to make sure it runs and you can put it in pump gear. You know. But this side you check every little thing. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Every little thing.
It is 100 OCs up there. We got one.
Yeah. I just gotta run the equipment. Okay, good job. High five.